Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to tell you how you can save 60 hours a year of sleep. Alright, so I have some exciting news. Now, you probably have heard of Chef's Plate and you probably know about HelloFresh, but did you know you can also get your coffee delivered right to your door? So this is Javy Coffee, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. So keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Javy is a coffee concentrate company that delivers your coffee concentrate right to your door. So anybody who knows me knows I love coffee, and the only thing I don't like about coffee is how long it takes to make. So I normally brew a pot of coffee and it takes around 10 minutes or so, and that's, like in more than an hour a week, or probably about like 60 hours a year. So that's an extra 60 hours a year you could be sleeping, for example, or doing anything else. So this Javy Coffee Concentrate will save you a lot of time as well. It's ready in about 1 minute. You just add your liquid of choice, either hot or cold, so water or ice, and then you can add your creamer or milk, whatever you choose, and then you just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of this, and definitely make sure that you follow the instructions, because if you just pour some in, it'll be way too strong, because this is about 30 servings in here. So it says on the instructions to get started, just take 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. It says just start with 1 teaspoon and adjust the serving size to your liking. Do not drink directly from the bottle, and do not consume the whole bottle in 1 serving. Refrigerate after opening, and it says it packs a punch. My affiliate code Pat Wallace at checkout to save 15% on Javy Coffee when you place your order. So don't forget to check the description down below, and I will include the affiliate link and the coupon code. Alright, so you might be wondering, what is a coffee concentrate? Well, a coffee concentrate is exactly what it sounds like. It's concentrated coffee. So Javy turns coffee beans into ground coffee and then puts it through a slow extraction process using cold water. And so Javy is a specialty high concentrated coffee. It packs all the flavor of artisan roasted coffee into a nifty little bottle. So now you can make any style of coffee you want with ease. What is the concept behind Javy? Our goal is to provide you a convenient, quick, and easy alternative to bulky coffee brewing equipment, messy leftover grounds, and gross instant coffee. With Javy, there's no need for long prep and brewing time anymore. Simply pour in a drop or 2 of our tasty concentrate and you're good to go. Alright, so what is Javy made of? Javy is made of 100% natural Arabica beans and the purest water. And what is the shelf life of a bottle? An unopened bottle is good to be used within 6 months. Once opened, refrigerate, and it's best used within 4 to 6 weeks. Making delicious coffee at home or on the go has only become more of a hassle. Javy has reinvented the coffee experience to be easy, affordable, and extremely tasty. On the website it says, brewed up with positivity for creatives, dreamers, and go-getters. Life is all about what you make it, and coffee truly makes it so much better. At Javy, we recognize how much coffee enhances our mood, energy, and quality of life. It fuels our imagination, our aspirations, and our desire to live our best life. It helps us build relationships with our families, friends, and communities. Why concentrates? No flavors are extracted, no additives are infused during our proprietary brewing process to ensure a pure coffee flavor with each and every pour. The drink of your choice is right at your fingertips because our concentrates are crafted so you can make all styles of hot or cold coffees. While our concentrates are complex to make, the ingredients are just coffee and water. There are no additives, sugars, or harmful chemicals, just pure, flavorful coffee. And Javy has a commitment to sustainability. All of their coffee beans are sourced from small, reliable farmers, which maintains a consistent flavor profile. They only purchase from farms that produce high-quality coffees. So as I mentioned, this is a subscription service, but you can also order just 1 bottle individually. You do not have to sign up for a subscription. The Javy Club is what the subscription service is called, and it says it ensures you never run out of your favorite coffee with convenient home delivery. You can choose from a variety of flavors and replenish the frequencies to customize your subscription and how much you consume. Then you just sit back and enjoy your coffee coming right to your door. They do have also different flavors available. So the concentrates come in the regular, which is what I have here, but it also comes in a caramel coffee, a French vanilla option, a mocha option, a decaf, and depending on the time of year, there are seasonal flavors too. So they also have pumpkin spice and peppermint mocha. So there's a whole different variety of coffees right on their website you can order. Make sure you use coupon code PatWallace at checkout to save 15% and get your Javy Coffee today. I'd also like to send a great big thank you to Javy Coffee for reaching out to me to do a review of this coffee product. I love coffee, so this is a perfect collaboration. Definitely was so excited to get an email from Javy and to receive my sample bottle. So although this is not a sponsored product, I did receive the product for free to sample and I really like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you prefer hot coffee or iced coffee. Thanks so much for watching this video for Javy Coffee Concentrate. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links will be in the description with the affiliate link and coupon code for Javy Coffee down below. And I'll see you for another video next time. Bye! Now you can get your coffee faster and with less mess delivered right to your door. Seems like an easy solution to me. Save yourself a lot of time and mess with Javy Coffee. Well, I just filmed an entire video and forgot to turn my microphone on.